Hello, I am Jose Calero and present to you what this is my fridge. In my fridge there is a broccoli. In my fridge there are some apples. In my fridge there are two eggs. In my fridge there are some strawberries. In my fridge there is ice cream. In my fridge there is a yogurt. In my fridge there are some cucumbers. In my fridge there are two oranges. In my fridge there is a chicken. In my fridge there are tomatoes. In my fridge there is a watermelon. In my fridge there are three lemons. In my fridge I have three is milk. In my fridge there aren't any carrots. In my fridge there aren't any sausages. Thanks for your time.
Created using Powtoon.